an alternative for ElevenLabs that can be used for free. ElevenLabs is a text-to-speech AI voiceover application that you can use to edit your audios or enhance AI voiceovers. There is a free program and a paid program, as most features of ElevenLabs are in their paid program. Sometimes users don't want to use a paid program or pay for the application, so Resemble.ai is the best alternative that you can use for ElevenLabs. You are going to go onto your Chrome or your web browser. You're going to type Resemble.ai. This is going to take you to the official website of the Resemble AI application. You are simply going to sign up or log in to your account using your email or your Google account. Once you've logged in, this is going to take you to the dashboard, and in this dashboard you can find almost everything that is also available in ElevenLabs. The first thing that you are going to see on the dashboard, all your projects are going to be stored here and you can view them later. Here is a conversational AI. This is to store the information or your confidential information about the agents. You can upload files or your phone numbers, their knowledge bases, their call logs, everything that you want to organize in this conversational AI tab. The main section that you want to focus on is the playground. Here there is going to be text-to-speech, voice changer, or speech-to-text. That is the exact reverse of text-to-speech. You're going to click on text-to-speech. Here this is a very similar page, exactly like ElevenLabs. You can change the AI voice by clicking on this tab right here. You can go through all these voices and adjust it exactly how you want them to be, or you can go ahead and create a voice. You can click on it, you can create your own voice, which is just going to be a voiceover of your script. Here you can edit the voice settings. You're going to click on it. You are going to edit these settings and then save them however you like. I'm going to reduce the pace. Everything else is good to go, and I am going to apply it. This text box right here, you are going to write your transcript here. You can either manually write it or you can just copy paste from your notes and make it more precise. This is a short script that I came up with that I want to generate in an AI generated voiceover. You can also change the language right here. You can also translate it to how you like. I like the language how it is. You can also go through this and change it to any language that you like. Once the script is ready, you can click on play. This is going to generate the audio for you according to the voice settings and the AI voice that you set up. Okay, it's preparing the audio. Once this voice is downloaded, you can download it simply. You're going to click on download, and this is going to download directly into your laptop or your computer. This is very easy and simple to use. You can go ahead and insert a new text box if you want. You can just paste the script here and go over everything again. You are going to click play and you can just download this once it is ready. It's best that you really go through your script. You don't want it to sound robotic or very inhumane. You want it to sound engaging and human-like. So you can just break the script into paragraphs and make it more precise with how you want it to be. You can also change the audio settings or the AI settings on how you want them to be, the accents, the energy. The other thing is the voice changer. Here you can either record live or you can upload an audio file that you want. I am going to upload an audio file right here. Okay, you can upload your audio files here, or you can just get started with sample recordings. I am going to put a podcast intro. Here with the voice settings, this is very similar to text-to-speech. All the settings are the same. You can go ahead and change the voice settings. I'm going to reduce the pace and apply. You can also create your own voice, but that won't do a difference if the audio file that you uploaded is already your voice and you want to change it. It's not going to make any difference. And you can choose the AI that suits you the best. And this is how you can use the voice changer. Once you generate the audio, you can simply go ahead and download it exactly how you did with the text-to-speech. The next is speech-to-text. This is exactly the reverse of text-to-speech. You're going to upload an audio file and it is going to transcript it very easily. Then right below is the history of everything that you have been working on using this application, just to keep things organized. There are also voices option where there are going to be voice library and all the voices that you have been using or that you prefer. You can also favorite them so you don't have to go looking for them every single time or search them specifically. You can create a new voice by clicking on this and just generate a new voice using a specific audio and frequency. There's also AI security that you can keep tabs on. You can go through all of this in the settings. Now, this application also provides some tools that are really important and you can engage with them. There are going to be widgets, so you don't have to use a third-party application just to edit the audio. These are the widgets and embedded an audio player on your website to turn articles into AI speech, improving accessibility and engagement. For any help, you can go ahead and just search it right here. You can go ahead and click on audio editing. You can go ahead and click on the edit option where you can edit all these audios with the tools within the application. You can upload an audio file and start with the editing. We're going to go back and this is going to take us to the main dashboard. This is also audio enhancement where you can enhance your overall audio. You can upload a file right here and you can enhance the audio however you want. This is a really good feature because it really helps you get that professional voiceover. Then there also comes a developer for your API keys that you can use for different applications. You can simply just generate an API key. Here you can click on this red box, you click on create a new API key or token. Here you can just simply copy this to your clipboard. Very simple to use, it's not that complicated. Other than that, you get a studio. This directly takes you to another link, which is basically you're just going to name these files. Check one. And once you open this project, you can just directly edit it however you want. You can upload a video file and then add an audio file. This is very useful because you don't have to use multiple applications. All of this can be done in a single application. When you go onto your settings, you can simply manage this from Teams. This is an overall guide and my personal opinion on this app. I would definitely recommend to use this because it is free. There are so many features that are just very helpful and everything can be done in a single application. You do not want to go to a different application or software. You don't have to pay extra for different softwares just to be able to edit your audio. Before we wrap up this tutorial, here are a few quick tips to help you get the most out of what you just learned. First, take a few minutes to try these steps yourself. The more you practice, the easier it becomes, and you will get better results faster. If you run into any issues or have questions while following along, don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. I read every comment and try to make you solve your problem. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next tutorial.